everyone, we are from Senior High School 1 Kaliwungu. My name is Brojeng Riani and my team Najwa Sabrina Misbah and Sabrina Ranaida. And today we're going to presentation our innovation that with title is HYDA, Hydrophobic Coating Innovation in Accelerated Water Rate on Glass Surface using Dip Coating and Spray Coating techniques.
Based on data obtained from BMKG in 2022, on average, the Indonesia region received normal annual rainfall of 2,000 mm, with spatial variation between 500 mm to 4,000 mm per year. Meanwhile, hydrophobic is a water repellent property or property that is unable to withstand or accept the presence of water. Hydrophobic properties can occur if the water contact angle is in the range of 19 degrees to 180 degrees, so that the water repulsion becomes higher and causes dirt. So, therefore, we have an innovation to make a thorough lift solution using dip coating and spray coating technique.
The benefits of this research are providing information regarding the process of making wax substance in taro leaf, glass contact angle after being treated with taro leaf solution, FTIR content of hydrophobic components of taro leaf, as well as the effectiveness of dip coating and spray coating technique in accelerating the rate of water on the glass surface. The scheme in this research starts from collecting tools and materials, then continues with making taro leaf extract. After that, it continues with the process of making the methanol fraction of taro leaf and produce a taro leaf solution which can form hydrophobic components. The research implementation process starts from making taro leaf simplicia, including collecting raw materials, drying, heating, mixing, and baking. After that, the process of making taro leaf extract continues, including adding 70% ethanol, maceration, filtering, adding 17% ethanol, remaceration, evaporation, and obtaining a thick taro leaf extract. Then, the process of making the methanol fraction of taro leaf continues, including adding methanol, distilled water, N-hexane, and separating the N-hexane.
For technical specification, we use two coating techniques, namely dip coating and spray coating. Coating with technique spray coating provides a functional surface to protect or modify substrate properties, while for the dip coating technique can be applied to form a thin and transparent hydrophobic layer of silica on the glass surface. For dip coating process, the first is soak the prepared glass into the HYDA solution for 6 hours. The next, rinse with N-hexane, methanol water 1:1 with a volume at 50 ml for methanol and water. The last, heating to a temperature 100 degrees Celsius with oven. Heating with temperature 300 degrees Celsius and then spray at 3 times. The next is rinse with N-hexane, methanol, and methanol water. The last is heating with temperature 100 degrees Celsius. For laboratory tests, we use two tests. The first is FTIR test. The test is to analyze the functional group of taro leaf extract at wave number 4,000 to 500 per centimeter via IRS. The next is contact angle test, was carried out to determine the contact angle on the glass preparation after coating the HYDA solution. The following are the results of the FTIR test on sample A1 with 50 grams taro leaf simplicia, sample A2 with 70 grams taro leaf simplicia, and sample A3 with 100 grams taro leaf simplicia. The next are the results of the contact angle test using dip coating and spray coating techniques with concentration 30%, 40%, and 50%. So, for FTIR test reviewed based on the functional group taro leaf extract, the best sample is the third sample with a functional group OH, CH, CC, SiO-Si, SiO, SiO, SiOH, and SiC. This functional group needed to make hydrophobic layer. Then for contact angle test, the best sample is the dip coating technique with concentration 50% with average angle at 92.84 degrees. It can be side hydrophobic because head and contact angle more than 90 degrees. Then, for mold growth test for 7 days, the dip coating technique with concentration 50% is the best. It has very minimal fungal growth compared with positive control with given another product treatment and negative control without given any treatment. This is our break-even point. Total fixed costs are 139 and the variable costs are 70 to 500. So we get packaging price are 25,000 rupiah. We already doing socialization in event level action, namely I save
or ASEAN Innovative Science Environmental and Entrepreneur Fair 2024 in Diponegoro University, Semarang in Indonesia. And we have socialization in Department of Transportation with Mr. Munir as a Master of Shipping and Public Transportation section.
Ini produk ini kira-kira bisa dimanfaatkan oleh masyarakat ya untuk keperluan sehari-hari. Terus ketika masyarakat ingin membutuhkan, mendapatkan itu bisa nyari di mana gitu.
Produk ini sudah diperjualbelikan di akun sosial media yaitu Instagram kami
Yang bernama @haida_hybrido, Bapak.
Ide yang bagus, bisa dilanjut, semoga semakin sukses, semakin berhasil. Produknya laku di pasaran, bisa membantu orang tua.
Ya, Pak.
Menambah uang jajan minimal. Oke.
We have received a creation registration letter from the Ministry of Law and Defense with number 000583271, and here's the specification of our product. And we make sales using our Instagram account with namely @haida_by_hydro. This is our product, has a liquid expiration date of 3 months and have to function at once, while the other products only last 7 days and only cover the surface. This is an example of the application of our product to a car mirror. This is our reference that we use for our innovation.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.